Alright, let's be real for a second. If you're watching this video, there's a pretty good chance your tax receipts are currently living in about 7 different places. Some are in your phone's camera roll, buried between vacation photos and screenshots. Some are in your email inbox from 3 months ago. And some are probably still in your wallet, crumpled up like origami gone wrong. And here's the thing, you're not disorganized. You're just using tools that weren't built for this. Your phone's camera roll wasn't designed to be a filing cabinet. Your email wasn't meant to be a document management system. And that folder on your desktop called Tax Stuff 2025 Final V3 is basically just a cry for help at this point. So today, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to go from receipt chaos to IRS-ready PDFs without losing my mind. And it all happens in one tool called PDF Element. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a system that actually works. Okay, so let me paint you a picture of what tax season usually looks like. It's March, you're sitting at your desk with a coffee that's gone cold, and you're scrolling through 847 photos on your phone trying to find that one receipt from July. You know, the important one. The one your accountant specifically asked for. And when you finally find it, it's blurry. Of course it's blurry, because you took it in a dark restaurant while your food was getting cold. So now you're squinting at your screen, trying to figure out if that says $47 or 97, and honestly, you're just going to guess at this point. Meanwhile, you've got PDFs scattered everywhere. Some are in your downloads folder. Some are in a folder called Important Tax Docs. And some are probably still attached to emails you forgot to download. And don't even get me started on trying to remember which version is the most recent one. The problem isn't that you're bad at this. The problem is that you're trying to use 5 different tools to do one job, and that's exhausting. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to build a system that takes you from receipt to ready-to-file PDF in one smooth workflow. No more switching between apps. No more, where did I save that file? And definitely no more manually typing numbers from blurry photos at 11 p.m. The tool we're using is called PDF Element, and I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use. Let's jump in. First things first, we need to capture receipts the moment we get them, because let's be honest, if you tell yourself, I'll deal with it later, it's never happening. Later is a lie we tell ourselves. So I use the PDF Element mobile app, and it has this receipt scanning feature that's honestly kind of magical. You just open the app, point your camera at the receipt, and it automatically detects the edges, crops it, and cleans up the image. No more blurry photos, no more receipts that are half cut off because you were in a hurry. I'm going to scan a few different receipts here. A restaurant receipt, an office supply purchase, a gas station receipt. Watch how the app just handles all of them automatically. It doesn't matter if it's a long CVS receipt or a tiny coffee shop one. It just works. And here's the best part. Everything gets saved to the cloud immediately. So even if I lose my phone, drop it in a toilet, whatever, my receipts are safe. That alone is worth it. Now here's where it gets interesting. PDF Element doesn't just take a picture of your receipt and call it a day. It actually reads the receipt and pulls out all the important information automatically. Watch this. I'm going to open one of the receipts I just scanned, and you can see it's already extracted the merchant name, the date, the total amount, the tax, the subtotal. Basically everything you'd normally have to type out manually. And this works on pretty much any receipt format. Printed receipts, thermal paper receipts that are already starting to fade, even handwritten ones. The OCR technology just figures it out. So instead of spending 20 minutes typing numbers into a spreadsheet, the app does it in about 3 seconds, and I can just review it to make sure everything looks right. That's the difference between working hard and working smart. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what if the OCR makes a mistake? What if it reads a number wrong? Great question. And this is where PDF Element really shines. You can tap on any piece of extracted data, and it'll jump straight to that exact spot on the original receipt. It highlights exactly where that number appears on the receipt. I can verify it in like 2 seconds. This is huge if you ever get audited, or if your accountant questions a number. You're not digging through files trying to find the source. You just tap, verify, done. It's like having a paper trail that's actually organized. And once I verify the data, it saves it to the cloud with the receipt. So everything stays connected. The receipt, the extracted data, all in one place. Alright, so I've been scanning receipts on my phone, which is great when I'm out and about. But when it's time to actually organize everything and prepare my tax documents, I want to be on my computer with a big screen and a proper keyboard. And this is where the cross-device sync comes in. Everything I just scanned on my phone is already on my desktop. I didn't email it to myself. I didn't plug in a cable. I didn't do anything. It just synced automatically. So now I'm looking at all my receipts on my computer and I can start organizing them properly. This is the workflow that actually makes sense. Capture on mobile, organize on desktop. Not this weird thing where you're trying to do everything on a tiny phone screen. Now comes the fun part. Organizing everything into clean, professional-looking PDFs. Because here's the thing, your accountant doesn't want 47 individual receipt files. They want one organized document that makes sense. So I'm going to select all my meal receipts and I'm going to merge them into one PDF. Then I can reorder them by date, add a cover page that says Meal Expenses 2025, and boom, I've got a professional document. And I can do this for all my different expense categories. Travel expenses, office supplies, software subscriptions, whatever. Each category gets its own clean PDF with all the receipts organized chronologically. This is batch processing, and it's the difference between spending 10 minutes organizing 50 receipts versus spending 2 hours doing them one by one. The tool does the heavy lifting. You just tell it what you want. Now let's say you need to actually fill out a tax form or edit a financial PDF. Maybe it's a W-9, maybe it's an expense report for your business, whatever. You can do that right here in PDF Element too. I'm going to open this tax form, and I can just click on any field and start typing. I don't need to print it out, fill it in by hand, and scan it back in like it's 1995. I just click and type. And because I've already got all my verified receipt data, I can pull those numbers and drop them right into the form. Everything's connected, everything's accurate, and I can actually trust the numbers because I verified them earlier. This is what a proper workflow looks like. Everything flows from one step to the next without you having to switch tools or re-enter data. Alright, before I send anything to my accountant, I need to do two things. First, I need to make sure I'm not accidentally sharing sensitive information I shouldn't be sharing. And second, I need to double check that all my numbers are actually correct. So if I'm sharing a bank statement but I don't want to show my full account number, I can just redact it. Easy. And then there's the AI assistant, which is honestly like having a second pair of eyes that never gets tired. I can ask it to summarize my expenses by category, verify that all my totals match the receipts, basically double-check my work. It's like having an accountant built into the software. Okay, so let's recap the entire system because this is important. Here's the workflow. You scan receipts on your phone using the mobile app. The OCR automatically extracts all the data. You verify the data by tapping to jump to the source. Everything syncs to your desktop automatically. You organize receipts into clean PDFs using batch processing. You edit your tax forms and fill in the verified data. You use Smart Redact to protect sensitive information. And you use the AI assistant to double-check everything before you send it off. That's it. What used to take me an entire weekend now takes me about 45 minutes. And I actually trust the numbers because I verified them along the way. So if you're tired of tax season feeling like a nightmare, I've got the link to download PDF Element in the description and in the pinned comment. There's a free version you can try out, and honestly, even the paid version costs less than the therapy you'll need if you keep doing this the old way. Ditch the late nights. Ditch the stress. File smarter with PDF Element. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.